Okay, this is Aldea's version of a classic mojito. It's really easy to make. So you start by taking some fresh mint. Really don't be shy with this, plenty in. Then to the alcohol. So you want in white rum. Today we're using Havana Club. For this you want probably 2 full shots. Then, for some sweetness, you want some sugar syrup. You can either buy sugar syrup or you can actually make sugar syrup at home. There's loads of really easy recipes for this, and you want a full shot of that. Then, you want fresh limes. The easiest way to do this is just to buy plenty of limes and squeeze them straight in. You want about 7 of these, 7 or 8 quarter pieces. The fresher the limes, the better. Once you're happy enough with how much lime you've got, you want to then muddle it, using obviously a muddler. This is a key part of any cocktail maker's kit, and you just push in and twist in, trying to basically blend all the ingredients that you've put in together. Once you're happy with that, just add some ice. And then you're going to shake it in the classic way of our house. Once it's shaken well, all then it is just to serve it up. It always looks better in a much taller glass, and it's usually served with crushed ice. Again, you can crush your own ice at home, just put ice into a blender, blend it up, and that'll give you fresh crushed ice. You're then going to strain what you've made so far into the bottom of the glass. This is going to be double strained because that's just how we do it out there. It tends to mean that you get a smoother